let me introduce myself. My name is Putri Wadani, you can call me Putri. So here I want to explain about the human body starting from the definition, the part, and this function. The human body is the physical structure of a human being, a complex and organized entity made up of the cell, tissues, and organ system. The first part of the human body is the head. The body part on the head has skull. This function to protect the brain. The second, brain. This function to control all body function. The three, eyes to see. The four, ears for hearing and balance. The five, nose for smelling and breathing. The six, mouth for eating and speaking. The seven, teeth for chewing food. The eight, talk for tasting and talking. The nine, hair this function to protect scalp and talking. The 10, facial muscle this function to make facial expression. The second part of the human body is the upper body starting from the neck. This function to connect head to body. The second, throat. This function for passage for food and hair. The three, shoulder. This function support arm movement. The four, chest. This function to protect heart and lung. The five, heart. This function for pumps blood. The six, lung. This function to help with breathing. The seven, arm. This function to for lifting and moving. The eight, elbow. This function for allow arm to bend. The nine, hand. This function to for holding, walking. This nine, finger. This function for keeping breathing. The third part of the human body is the lower body starting from the abdomen. This function hold digestive organ. The second, waist. This function to connect upper and lower body. The three, hip. This function to support body when body standing. The four, buttocks. This function help in sitting and movement. The five, thigh. This function to strong muscle for walking. The six, knee. This function to allow leg to bend. The seven, calf. This function to support walking and balance. The nine, ankle. The function to connect leg and foot. Nine, foot. This function to support body weight. The nine, toes. This function to help with balance. The nervous system. The first part of the nervous system on the brain. This function to control all body activity. Example of disease: stroke, epilepsy, brain tumor, and meningitis. The second, to spinal cord. This function to send message to and from the brain. Example of disease: spinal cord injury, multiple sclerosis, and spina bifida. The third, nervous. This function to transmit signal. Example of disease: neuropathy and Alzheimer's. Next steps of neurosis. This one, sensory neuron. This function carries signal from sensory organ to the brain. Example, the diseases peripheral neuropathy and diabetic neuropathy. The second, motor neuron. This function to send signal from the brain and spinal cord to muscles. Example of disease: spinal muscular atrophy. This lack in interneuron. This function to connect sensory and motor neuron found in the brain and spinal cord. Example of disease: interneuron, schizophrenia, and Parkinson's disease. And the next for nervous system, this one, central nervous system. This function include the brain and spinal cord, control most function of the body and mind. Example of disease for nervous system, central neuron system, multiple sclerosis, meningitis, and brain tumor. The second, nervous system, peripheral nervous system. This function to connect CNS to body. Example of disease for nervous system, peripheral nervous system, peripheral neuropathy, Guillain-Barré syndrome, and Bell's palsy. The next, nervous system, autonomic nervous system. This function regulate involuntary action, heartbeat, breathing, digestion. Example of disease: autonomic nervous system, autonomic neuropathy, and dysautonomia.